TÜRASAŞ, taking the rails 1.5 centuries ago for true stability, growing up constantly by use of know-how and technology, making breakthroughs on the basis of cooperation and safety, Türkiye's pride in railway industry sector. Türkiye Rail Sistem Araçları Sanayi AŞ. Acting with the perspective of continuous development, efficiency, environmental sensitivity, and endless customer satisfaction, TÜRASAŞ has always aimed better and further since from the very day it was established. Since 2003, it has been producing new generation locomotives, diesel and electric train sets, suburban train sets, freight and passenger wagons in its modern facilities of 400,000 square meters in Eskişehir, Sakarya, and Sivas, which it has designed in its R&D centers in line with the objectives of railways being a state policy and national technology move. In addition, it is proud to be the largest manufacturer of rail system vehicles in the Middle East by putting the signature of Turkish engineering on every detail, from train control management system, traction converter, traction motor, diesel engine, to bogies. Here is a picture of pride that has left its mark on the era with its 17 manufacturing shops, knowledge, experience, and efforts of 4,000 TÜRASAŞ employees. The 324-passenger capacity National Electric Train Set, which was manufactured in Sakarya for regional or intercity passenger transport according to operational needs and started to be operated in May 2023, has an operating speed of 160 km per hour and meets the European Mutual Operability Criteria (TSI). Again, the National Suburban Train Set Gaziray, which offers high comfort and capacity in urban transport, produced in TÜRASAŞ Sakarya factories with 1,000 passenger capacity in a configuration of 4-vehicle and a design speed of 120 km per hour, was put on the rails in April 2025. Electric mainline locomotive E5000, which will start a new era in freight and passenger transport, is embodied in TÜRASAŞ Eskişehir factories. E5000, which exhibits an excellent performance in railway transport, has an operating speed of 140 km per hour, a safe, environmentally friendly, and low operating cost with its 5-megawatt electric motor. In addition, all main components developed and manufactured can be exported as spare parts and can also be used as spare parts for existing train sets, electric and diesel locomotives, and for modernization. TÜRASAŞ displays an outstanding performance in the production of towing vehicles as well as in the production of towed railway vehicles. 7 types of passenger wagons, such as TVS 2000 series, which meet customer demands in the best way, are produced in Sakarya factories, and 17 types of various wagons, such as platform, tank, or military vehicle transport and truck-trailer transport wagons, are produced in Eskişehir and Sivas factories. As a result of its quality approach, TÜRASAŞ puts people at the forefront of its business processes and continues to shape its future vision according to regional and global needs. In this direction, Türkiye's first domestic and national high-speed train has been designed with high comfort and innovation. The national high-speed train will have an operating speed of 225 km per hour, 8 vehicles, and 584 passenger capacity. TÜRASAŞ, which started prototype manufacturing with great excitement, aims to bring the national high-speed train set to the rails at the end of 2025. Designed with 4,000 horsepower diesel-electric and 7.3 megawatt electric National Co-mainline locomotive project and completing the National Metro project are among the near-future targets of TÜRASAŞ. TÜRASAŞ, on the other hand, rapidly realizes the vision projects it has put forward. On the other hand, it continues its new investments rapidly by updating its existing production facilities. With the additional investments made in the integrated production facilities in Sivas in 2024, TÜRASAŞ continues to produce bogie production factory at European standards. It is also planning to lay the foundations of the locomotive assembly and electrical systems factory in Eskişehir and the electrical test and assembly factory at Sakarya. TÜRASAŞ acts with an efficient and environmentally friendly approach in its production lines as well as in the vehicles it produces. For this purpose, TÜRASAŞ accelerates solar energy system installations in order to utilize renewable energy in its 3 regional directorates and contributes to the green future. TÜRASAŞ, which has left behind hundreds of years full of success with its professional approach and corporate culture, excitement, experience, and entrepreneurial spirit, rational investments, love for life and people, will continue to be the brand of innovations and firsts in its sector by increasing this development with the strength and belief it receives from you. Because TÜRASAŞ is manufacturing, Türkiye is speeding up.